And my name is Dan Low. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a program to check if a string is a palindrome. So what is palindrome? A word. Palindrome is a word whose characters read the same backwards as a forward, such as madam, M-A-D-A-M, backwards, M-A-D-A-M, race racecar, 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 forward backward the same. Radar, redder, or civic, civic. Okay, so notice that the palindrome, the number of characters, could be the even number or uh, even number or R number. Okay, so if it's an even number, then you basically divide characters into two, the left and right. The left and right read the same. But if it's a R number, like a CIVIC, there are five characters in it. And then the center one, the V, could be anything. Okay. So a sentence palindrome maybe written when the allowances are made to ignore data cases, punctuation, and the word dividers, such as this. Okay. The man, comma, a plane, a canal, Panama. Okay, so if you read it backwards, man. Okay, then a plane, Plan, a plane, and then a canal, Canal. Okay, and then Panama. And something for this sentence: was it a car or a cat I saw? Then read it backwards. Was was uh, it a car or a cat. Okay, and I saw SAW. So kind of interesting. So we're gonna write a program to check. Okay, so in the programming, you are asked to write a program that takes a sentence 1 to 200 characters. Okay, as input and output either yes or no. It's to indicate whether the sentence or word is a palindrome. Okay. And this type of programming exercise is kind of common to the CS1, or maybe CS2, and also some high school programming or coding competitions. So here are sample input and output. So for example, you have input, refer, and output you should yes, because REFER, read backwards REFE are the same. And input CALL, read backward LLAC, no, it's not a palindrome. And redder, redder, yes. Okay, so your output and input should be something like this. So here are the ideas. Okay, first we're gonna extract our letters only from a string and convert uh, name to a low cases. Okay, because when you do the comparison, you want to make sure the uppercase, lowercase, or a are the same. So the best way is convert all of them to either lower cases or upper cases. Either way will work. Now here the observations. A man, a plane, a canal, Panama. Okay. So first we need to remove all the punctuations. Okay, and the spaces, and then put it into a list so that A M A N, extract it out. So I'm going to show you how to do this using a regular expression, to do it in the programming side. Okay, but anyway, we need to do this first pre-processing. Okay, to convert all the letters into low cases and take out all the punctuations. Then we're gonna check if the head and the tail matches. If so, we remove them. Okay, because to be palindrome, the head and the tail have to be the same. So for example, here's the A, MANAP, whatever, to the end, MA. So first you have to do is check the first one, which is I call head. Okay, the head is A, the tail is A. Okay, so they matches, so you can remove them. Okay, so now you check again the head, now becomes M. The tail also M. So again, the same, remove. And then check again the head A, so the same, remove. So keep doing this. If they are the same, you remove them. If they are not the same, you're done because it's not palindrome. You're already done. Okay. So keep doing this. A and N A until you either got one character left, which the number of characters in this string is odd. Okay. Or there's no character left. Okay. You check all of them if the length of the string is even. Okay. So either case, when you get to this step, the last step, either one left and you don't find any mismatches, and then this is palindrome. Okay, so I'm going to show the programming side. I use the Colab, and I'm gonna share the link for you later. Okay, after this video. So these are some descriptions as usual. And first thing we need to import get a regular expression. Okay, so we need to get a regular expression package. If you don't quite understand the regular expressions, you can check out my other video to talk about regular expression. Regular expression is a package that allow you to find a pattern from a string. So you can search something you like, basically. So regular expression is a powerful tool to describe what kind of strings you want. Okay, so we need to import regular expression. Okay, and that's the first step. And second, well, first I'm gonna run this one. Second, we're gonna define a function. Okay, so define a function we call a palindrome. Palindrome. Okay, so that define palindrome. Okay, so in this palindrome, you're gonna get a string s. Okay, and you're gonna return yes or no. Okay, if the given string s is palindrome. Okay, then you return yes. If not, then you return no. Okay, so first thing you need to I'm gonna put comments here. Let's say we first need to preprocess string. Okay, and then put it into a list of characters. Okay, so let's say I want to extract the characters out. Okay, so what I have to do is I'm gonna create a list. Okay, a list of car. It's gonna be list of car. It's gonna be from the regular expression that I call find all. Okay, find all the pattern. The pattern is like A to Z, A to Z, only the letters. Okay, and then the input, not input, sorry, S is the input. I'm gonna convert it to lower cases. Okay, so I say lower. You'll convert it to lower cases. So this gonna convert the input string into a list of characters. It will take out all non-character or stuff. Okay, non later. So because I set a regular expression and say I want to find all the low cases, A to Z, or upper cases, letters. Okay, that's it. Other than those, other than the letters, English letters, this will not be put into the list. Okay, so we can simply stop here and check. Okay, we can run it, and then in the next block, I already have something like input there, right? So I can simply just call. Oh, wait, I can simply just print out. Okay, print the list car. Okay, to see what happened. Okay, so here I'm gonna call a palindrome. Call a palindrome and then put the input. Okay, and then see what happened. Yeah, I have terminated later right here, so I submit. I need to terminate it. So I here. Okay, now I got the character printed. So after I put the letters out, now I move on to the next step. Okay, so this text I can remove this out. Okay, so now I got a list of characters there. Then the next step is I need to remove the first one and the last one if they match. Okay, so first thing is I put the answers. Okay, answers equal to let's say true. Okay, to begin with. Okay, then I use a while loop while our answer is still true. Okay, and the length of the list. Here the length of this had to be at least larger than equal to 2, to continue to work. Okay, so this character is equal to 2. So after that, I check the head of the list and the tail of the list. If they match, it's okay, nothing you need to do. If they don't match, and you're done. If they don't match, then you can return false immediately. So I check if they don't match. Okay, so if list car, okay, uh, the first one, is start with the 0. Okay, this car 0. If that letter is equal to the last one, so last one I use this card that pop. You will pop the last one out. Okay, so if they are if they don't match. Okay, if they don't match, okay, then the answer is equal to false. You're done. Okay, if they match, okay, if they the else case is they match. Okay, let me put a comment here. If they match, then what you have to do is, well, you don't need to change the answer to true again, but you need to uh, remove the head element in the list. Okay, so the list called the pop without giving the parameter right here. You're gonna pop the last one out, but now we need to pop the first one out. So here's the thing: you need to say list pop. The first one is 0, so you pop the head. So you pop the first one out. Okay, so remove the head. Remove the head character. Okay, out of the list. Okay, if they match. And you don't need to remove the last one again because you already removed right here. You already remove it. Okay, so you don't want to doubly remove that. Otherwise, it cause some error. So after you remove that, you go back to the while loop until you hit the end. Okay. Now this while loop will terminate if we set a false right here. You're gonna terminate it. Okay. So once the while loop terminated, then we got an answer. So the answer should be in the answer key. So we can if the answer, okay, answer is a boolean variable, so it could be either true or false. So if answer is true, okay, if answer, then you return true, yes, okay. Else you return false, no, okay. So that will be the program, and we can run it. Now we can simply print palindrome input. You can say yes or no. Okay, so say print or a cat. I saw question mark. So it's a yes. So that's the end of the video. So hope you enjoy and like it. Please thumb up, share, give comments, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.